Where are we going today, Anya?
Shopping.
Today is what? Day 3.
Day 3.
And we are going to
Shopping.
shopping. Do you know where? No? Okay, me too. Day 3.
So we're off early.
Feeling ko iba dapat. Tabi, pag sumaykaw.
You do it.
Ito nga yung sinasabi nilang parang bagyo.
Atmospheric rain. God.
Yeah. Sarap nga oh.
Remember, naka-experience tayo nung merong...
Yung pakiti 57 Mark.
Whirlwind.
Ano tayo, mami?
Alright. First stop. Chick-fil-A. Talagang tinapatan nila yung In-N-Out eh, no? Chick-fil-A. Sila dito hindi diretso mag-park, no? Chick-fil-A. Gusto niyo?
Di ba?
Oh, alam yun.
Chicken.
Nuggets? Nuggets? Opo.
Yeah. Pati, burger. Ano yung sabi mo?
It's better than In-N-Out.
Ooh. Chick-fil-A is better than In-N-Out. Ooh.
I said what I said.
Naubos dito. In-N-Out, hindi ganun. Months wise.
Wait.
Anya, where are you?
At Uniqlo.
In America, right? Kana?
Oh, tara na. Nilalamig na to. Malamig, boss? Kaya. Lamig ah. Is it hot over here? Is it hot over here? Ayos ah.
Just okay.
Just
I'm an American. I've been here for such a long time. And you know, I'm so used to this weather.
Pero kanina, ngayon lang nagkaganito dito, ano?
Uniqlo? Yeah. It's been a long time since we went here. But
Ano na, kanya-kanya na po. Kanya-kanya na. Okay, see ya. Ayun, North Face. What happened? Akala ko di ka mahilig sa makeup.
This is just the setting spray.
Okay.
This.
Which one? Which one?
34 ml na setting spray.
Bakit 34 lang?
Ito pa yung 100?
Oh!
Nice.
Saan tayo punta? Sephora for makeup
Banana Republic.
and Banana Republic. But you bought Banana Republic pants and also Sephora. 195 USD. I'm saving it for record. Baka makalimutan ko eh. Mrs. Fields. Gusto mo bumili for later? Bumili na tayo ngayon habang wala pang pila. It's time to rekindle high school Merrill. Tanan! Hot topic!
Here, ako na baka bago
It's
ka
okay.
sabihin mo ma-judge ka sa hot topic.
Hot topics. Nice.
See, they have some cute creatures can't drive. Don't worry, baby girl. I will protect you.
What did you say?
I've always wanted one when I was a kid.
You've always wanted to make one when you were a kid.
Yeah.
Now,
I'm making one
you're making one.
at 30 years old.
30 years old.
when you guys suffer on that pedal for me? Oh. Did you want the fur for anything more soft or more firm?
More soft.
More
Got a good feel for me. Let me know what you guys think. Does that feel good? You guys want more stuffing? Less stuffing?
No, this is good.
If you guys want, you can grab a heart right over there for the heart ceremony. You don't want to get that heart. You're going to rub it all over its tummy so it's full of love. We're doing that. You're going to want to rub it all over its arms for super warm hugs. Perfect. You're going to rub it on its head so it's always thinking about you. And you want to rub it on their back so they always have your back. Perfect. You don't want to get that hard. Warm it up in your hand. Get it all nice and warmed up. Warm it up, warm it up. And then you're going to want to give that heart a big kiss. So your friend knows how much you love them. Perfect. When you're done, you just pop that heart right in there. There you go. Perfect. You're not going to set that for you.
Thank you so much.
You guys have a good one.
Thank you. Okay, what do we do?
Mga kaedad natin, nag-base ng anak ako, nag-base ng teddy.
Kailan kayo magkakaanak? Ito na po. Ito na po yun. Shohei! Yung sa ulo ang problema, parang ang laki ng ulo. Tingin? Hindi naman, okay naman. Ba't hawak mo parang baby? Putang ina. Ayan, nanganak na. Ikaw nga naman mag-intro.
Mamaya may pro tip ako sa mga gustong manood sa akin. Halina at pumunta sa aking kwarto.
Antayin mo.
Pro tip.
Oo, bro, pumasok sa kwarto. Ituturo ako sa mga...
Pumunta ka sa aking kwarto. Okay. Ikaw naman mag-intro ma. So, nasan tayo ngayon? Putang ina. Tinanggihan lang ako. We're going to...
Welcome to Frank and Son or Sons. It's kind of
Classic ah.
exciting today because I'm not going to buy anything. Nothing. As in zero.
Kaya tayo nag-uwi ng gamit eh. Baka may lalagyan pa daw. Boss, salamat sa paggamit ng aking jacket. Ang lamig. Word.
Kaya ko naman eh. Oh.
Hindi, okay na.
Gamitin mo na.
Di na, sige na. Sige na, gamitin mo na. Okay lang. Okay lang. Warm yan. Keeps you warm. Frank and Sons. Yeti. Wait, I need to take a picture. Ah, ito si Frank and Son.
Ah, yeah.
Legos.
Got it.
Kaya nga eh. Buti na lang.
There's a Chucky doll.
Godzilla. Filipino food na naman sa US. Mas... Up! Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Bossing! Grabe yan, bossing. Sheesh.